Boo! Halloween is just around the corner and it gets absolutely crazy out here in Tokyo, Japan. Keep watching this video because I'm going to give you my best tips on what you need to know if you decide to come out here to Japan to party on Halloween. Welcome to Tokyo. It is Halloween season, my favorite time of the year. And if you didn't know, the parties in Japan on Halloween are crazy. They're infamous. They go absolutely crazy. Now, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I'm a Tokyo-based DJ and music producer, and I drop Japan nightlife guides every week. So make sure you're subscribed if you're planning to visit Tokyo or anywhere else in Japan and want to check out the nightlife. So tip number one, where to party in Japan for Halloween. Well, Tokyo, Osaka, and all the big cities across Japan are going to be having all kinds of amazing parties in the nightclubs. Most clubs will have their Halloween parties on October 31st or the day before or after, but sometimes they have it the week before. So be sure to check the schedule before you decide to come out and party. Also be aware that most of the nightclubs will increase the door price, usually for men mostly. So keep that in mind. Also, most nightclubs will offer a discount if you wear a costume, and for ladies, a lot of nightclubs actually will give you free entry if you wear a costume. So be sure to wear a costume when you go out to these nightclubs. Tip number two, get your costumes early. You don't want to be stuck having to wear a Doraemon or Pikachu costume in a nightclub. That's embarrassing. A couple places you can buy your costumes. You can easily grab a Halloween costume at Don Quijote in Shibuya, Shinjuku, or almost any store in Japan. They actually have a pretty good selection right now. Don Quijote has always been the spot to go if you're trying to get Halloween costumes, and it's even better now actually, especially the one out here in Shinjuku. They had some pretty awesome masks there. Also, you can buy Halloween costumes on Amazon Japan. Just know that the prices of these costumes are actually really expensive. Tip number three, drinking on the streets in Shibuya is banned, supposedly. I've talked about this before in my other videos, but Shibuya has banned drinking on the streets. But if you've been to Shibuya, you might know that they're not really enforcing it that well. But last year on Halloween, the vibes on the streets in Shibuya were nothing like the previous years. It was very tame, and yeah, there weren't many people on the streets, but I have a feeling this year is gonna be crazy. There is a lot of tourists out here, and there's a lot of people wanting to party. And if not Shibuya, you can go to Shinjuku. I'm pretty sure the streets out here in Shinjuku are gonna be wild, so if you wanna see some Halloween vibes, you could check out Shinjuku instead of Shibuya. But for now, I can say you're not supposed to drink on the streets in Shibuya. So instead of that, drink in the clubs or the bars or karaoke. Tip number four, come early. The lines on Halloween get very, very long, like crazy long. So try to arrive before 11 p.m. and sometimes even arriving early, you get an extra discount on the door. If not, if you arrive at midnight or 1 a.m., you might be waiting in line for 30 minutes or an hour for some of the biggest Halloween parties out here. Tip number five, put on your costume before you head to the club. You don't want to be that person that's trying to put on the costume in a bathroom inside a Tokyo nightclub. It's totally normal to wear your costume on the train, walk the streets on Halloween. You'll see a whole lot of that on Halloween as you ride the Yamanote line going to Shibuya or whatever. There'll be a lot of people wearing really cool Halloween costumes. So be sure to put on your costume before you leave your place. Now, before I give you the rest of my tips, I gotta go DJ at Warp Shinjuku. Let me take you to the club. Tip number six, this one's for the fellas. If you're hoping to meet a Japanese girl at one of these nightclubs, I recommend not wearing a scary costume. I'm talking about scary zombies, the undead, that kind of vibe, because Japanese girls generally like cute things. So if you wear something maybe handsome or cute, the Japanese girls in general are going to be more attracted or think that's really cool, versus if they see someone wearing a very scary zombie-like costume, they may be less inclined to talk to you. And I have experience with this just as a DJ. There's been times where I've worn like a scary mask when I DJ'd, and then I was rocking the club, but in the front front row, there was not much of a reaction. Everybody was just kind of staring at me, not sure who was in this costume. It was a bit too frightening for them. And then I took off the mask. The crowd erupted like, whoa! Everybody was freaking out like, oh, it's Vivid, whoa! And then it went crazy hype. I guess my mask was a little too scary. So keep that in mind, fellas. The girls like the cute costumes. Tip number 7. Now, if you're not into Halloween at all, but you still want to party, then check out the techno parties out here in Tokyo or Osaka. Typically, the techno music fans do not like to dress up at techno parties. So check those parties out at like a nightclub called Womb. You can still party all night and don't have to dress up in a Halloween costume. So there you go. Those are my tips for how you can enjoy partying out here in Japan on Halloween. If you got any questions, drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Every week I'm dropping brand new videos about Japan's nightlife. Until next time, views out.